So you can see here that I got a bunch of random words right here in the layout view of my document formatted in different ways. So now let's take a look at how to change out, that is replace out word over here in the layout. So you can do this in bigger documents as well, even if they have 100 pages. So to find that and replace, I'm going to keep my cursor over here in the beginning so that I can change out everything that comes up after the cursor. So once I keep my cursor here, I'm going to go on to edit, and then I'm going to go on find and change. So once I go on find and change, this dialog box pops up where you can enter the word you want to change out. For example, in find what section, I'm just going to type in a sentence because that is the word I want to change, and I'm going to change it into something else like paragraph right over here. Just like this. So find out what sentence and change to paragraph. So over here in the direction, I'm going to click forward because I selected out the cursor right over here on this section in the beginning. So what happens is that if I were to choose forward, it will search out for the words that are all after that cursor that we chosen right there. So once we chose forward, that we chose sentence and change to paragraph, we chose that out. What we can do is we can simply change it out now. So I'm just going to click on change all, and what happens is that it says the search is completed and 3 replacements has been made. So once I click OK, you can see right here that all the sentences, like sentence was here, here, and here, all of these are changed into the word paragraph now, just like that. And that is how you can use the find and change option inside of InCopy. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.